and good morning, everyone.
Good morning, guys.
We are back. We are going to finish this floor joist project today. It is, well, frankly, it feels like snow.
Yeah, they're saying snow for tomorrow.
Yeah, possible snow in our area tomorrow, and we have other YouTube friends west of us, and they have gotten snow yesterday. So there's definitely a cold front moving in, so we want to get this buttoned up so that we can complete this project 100% and move on to our subfloor. So without any further ado, let's get on it.
Hey, babies.
Look at how big and fluffy.
I know, right?
All three, all four.
Yeah. One. Wait a minute.
That's fine.
I know, but I wanna.
Look at.
Hi. I know you don't like it. I'm trying to get you. Is that your baby? We gotta check you all. Make sure you're all doing good. You didn't check yet. Same the gray one. Hi, girlie. I know, those are your babies.
All right, guys, what we're gonna do now is we need to put the end caps. That's these boards right here, and they're gonna run flush with this. Now, if you come on down here, you're gonna see that all our floor joists are on the inside. What this is gonna do is this is gonna sit on the outside, and it's gonna screw in here and here. Then it's gonna screw into this, and as we come down, it's going to come down to this one right here, and it's going to end here and screw into this one, and then the next one going this way will start here and go down. So we have 6 of these to put on all the way around. All right, so let's get a measurement right from there. 146. Get squared up nice and tight. Before we do the other side, I think it's pretty prudent that we check out square.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
Keep going down there.
Oh. I thought you were gonna walk. Kind of hard to check square with these boards on here.
Slide it out of the way.
Good.
Okay, I got 4410.
Twisted?
No, not anymore.
Alright, good.
4410. So we're good. So we're still square. We can do the other side, and then we can tie this all in, and then start doing blockers. Okay guys, we got our end cap on down this side, and as we go down this side here, we've got those 6 joist hangers we still have to put in, and then you can see right there there's a little bit of a gap. What we're going to do is we're going to get the strap out, we're going to pull this in, we're going to secure all this all the way down, get those joist hangers in, get it all screwed together, and then we'll come down the other side with our end caps. Thinking this one is a good one to run the first strap through. Look at Missy, what a champ she is. She knows that I pretty much can't crawl through there. And she's taking one for the team. Oh, be careful in there. All right, run a screw in on this side, that side. I'll run one on this side. So halfway should be 5'10" and a half. 5'10" and a half.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. It's you and I.
All right, ready to do the last one?
Yeah.
All right. Flip it this way a little. Yep.
I know.
Let me get the top.
I'll fix it.
Oh, right there. Ready? Okay. Get your side all lined up. Yeah? Looks good? Throw your top nail in. Or screw, I should say. Is it nice and, yeah, it looks good. Throw a bottom one in there. Okay. Last one.
I already have one. No, the two bottom ones went through the side.
One on the other side?
Over here.
Okay, hang on. I'm gonna throw another one in. How's that?
Better.
There you go.
Should probably put another one in on this side.
Yeah?
Alright.
That's it.
That's it.
Floor joists are done.
And all our bracing.
Floor joists are done, guys. Floor joists and bracing are done. This platform is complete.
Yep.
Nothing left to do.
No. Well, we're gonna plan down some of the high spots.
Yeah, but
Some of the
we'll
joists.
find those when we do the subfloor.
Yeah.
We'll be able to find them and work it out. But
But yeah, subfloor. Next. Yay!
nice job.
Alright.
Congratulations.
Yes, congratulations.
All right, guys, we're going to leave it there. We're going to get cleaned up. It's going to maybe even snow tomorrow. So
It looks like snow, it feels like snow.
it does feel like snow.
It's been cold all day.
It has. But we're going to get cleaned up. We're going to leave it there. We'll see you on the next one, guys.
Bye guys.
Bye.